This is how you model stairs using Blender. We already have a cube. I'm going to pull it like this, and then I'm going to choose a number of segments. This number of segments are the ones that represent the stairs. So you can choose like 9 like that. And then I'm going to come to custom and the presets, and then steps, and then apply presets like that. So that's how you create stairs using Blender. So can come to object mode. So this is how it looks. So depending on the number of stairs that you want, or depending also on the size that you want of the stairs, you can either have the x-axis or the y-axis, or even the z-axis, the length, depending on the size of the stairs that you're creating.